Hello everybody. Hey, this is the model I've been working on over at Avanti Jewelers. You've probably seen me post this process there. It's a little teaser for my customer. Got it all finished out. This was designed on the computer. The green part is a 3D print. So I designed the ring, the model, in a computer program. Then we print the model, 3D print it. Then it's cast. In this case, it's 14 karat white gold, and it's set with diamonds. See that side a little bit. And you got diamonds on the side there. And this is in the computer software right here, the model. Now, I know probably you guys, let's see here. There's the model that I designed. But I'll be posting on some YouTube videos of how I actually designed that in the program. And I want to thank Wendy for being so patient, but they got a very, very nice ring out of this. Once again, stop in at Avanti Jewelers. Call over there and we'll make a custom ring for you. Bring your picture, bring a design. Full CAD/CAM computer operations, plus traditional handwork, all repairs, and of course, we're famous for doing watch batteries. All right, thanks for watching, guys.